What's up, guys? We are gonna build a meal tracker now, and we're gonna cover it from A to Z. And this is a simple meal tracker, which means we don't have any user interface, but we will highlight some important concepts that are gonna be the foundation if you want to create a user interface in the future. This is a beginner's level video, so if you know a little bit about Python, you should be able to follow along with this. And we're gonna cover the with statement and some file handling, and we're also gonna cover the user input and also a little bit of how we can use a while loop to read the number of meals that we want to enter. I'm gonna create an entirely new file and walk you through the different stages of this. So I'm gonna call this meal tracker 2, and the first thing we want to do is think about the features we're gonna have in our program. And we're thinking right now that this is a basic program where we could we let the user enter some meals through the input function, and the way we do that is to let them like this. What did you eat today? And what this is gonna do is query the user. So if we run this, what did you eat today? Well, I had pancakes, for example. We're going to print out pancakes. Now what we can do is that we can use the with open. With open meals enter text. It's gonna open a file called whatever I write here in a mode called append, and it's gonna bind and let us access that file through this variable file. So I can say I want to write the meal, which is just entered here, and I want also write a new line /n. Now let's see what's gonna happen when we run this again. We're gonna hopefully end up with a new text file in our projects, and we got pancakes and a new line. And the reason we want a new line is because the next entered meal should end up on the line below. Alright, thanks for watching and hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave a comment. Bye bye.